at it again, off camping in sunny Greenland.
And this week we're out with the lovely Kasha. And we met in group camp recently.
We don't talk about group camp.
It was one incident, Lisa.
Do a video, make out you've just like prepared this meal.
So before we head up, we're having a lunch of champions. Chicken
Tikka masala.
tikka masala. I'm having this skinny chicken burger. Kasha's having a beef patty. Oh, it's nice actually. And onion rings. Don't forget the onion rings.
You want me to take a photo? You want me to take a photo?
This is our camping spot at the Gryffe reservoir. As you can see, it's been well used. Seems to be a popular spot. Up there you've got Corlick Hill.
This is Cloud Peak 2. I've got the MSR Elixir 1, the circus tent. This is the nature hike Munger. I think Kasha said this is a 3-man tent, but look at the size of it. What?
Is that beautiful?
Yup.
Ladies' night.
A ladies' night.
What's that? You can get one to neck it. Yep. I've got one here.
Nice to see the ponchos coming in handy.
Oh, definitely.
We'll need to get that tarp up.
It's raining, Mickey.
It's pouring. Sounds good, but
This is our ladies camping bar, and Cash is going to teach me how to make an amazing drink.
so what we starting with?
Ruby port
Ruby port.
or special reserve is good as well.
Is there a limit that you're pouring in?
No, it's really up to your preference. How strong you are it.
That's half a bottle.
WKD, the good stuff.
We'll be in our beds by 8 o'clock.
After that cup, love. This is what happens when the kids don't come.
Here she comes with the iron brew.
Delivered.
It's delivered.
Onion in my car.
What have you got?
An onion.
An onion. Excellent.
We'll do something with that later.
Hey, hey. Do some rustic cooking with one onion, with nothing else. I've been down there before. It's alright.
Swim then.
On you
Spice
go.
it up a little bit.
Did you bring a towel? Did you bring your bikini?
No, shake it off.
And you're -3. Do you know? Did we ever tell you that? We went camping. It was -3 and she took a bikini.
I've intended on getting in the lock. I have to gear myself up for it, but it will happen at some point. Get in there. Drink. You tell me to drink. You drink. You too. Cheers, my dear. Cheers.
It's getting a bit windier. Right, What's going on?
I switched ends because I couldn't sleep properly, and I don't know if it was on. I heard this thud. It jumped.
Oh.
Oh my god! It's trying to hide from me now.
Right. Okay. Open. I'll get the frog out. Right. Go.
The zip's over there. What if there's another one? What's there in it?
Right.
You see the corner there?
Okay. Right. Leave him. Oh, we so.
Leave him.
We so.
Oh my god! I don't think I can sleep tonight. Now there might be more.
Oh.
This whole family might be.
Look
in
at him. That's a wee
Oh,
shame.
I'm gonna be sick. Get
It's,
out.
what do you mean? It's a wee froggy.
Oh my god.
Oh, I mean, he's just traumatised as you. He's like, what the? I just went to go to Butlins for the day, and now he's in somebody's tent, and he's like
sleeping with its family.
just one wee frog living the life.
Or its bestie.
Thinks he's your flatmate.
Go out there, please.
I love beasties. Get a good night's sleep.
Sleep.
Okay, I'll see you in the morning. I love how you're still laughing. So it's about 7:30. I'm like a burst couch. I don't know what Kasia put in that drink. Everyone else is still sleeping. Turn the camera. So I'm assuming that's a kind of bird watching facility. Somebody's been here quite recently as well. Couple of little ponds. Lots of bird feeders. And I've actually seen loads of birds as well. So pretty. Really nice. Oh. Do you need some of that fuel?
Sorry, what did you say?
Do you need some of that fuel for your...
Yeah.
Kasia's still sleeping, I think. Here she is. Good morning.
In the morning.
Oh, you're alright, pal.
Well, I couldn't sleep because I thought there might be another frog in my tent. Good morning.
Look at this setup. Fantastic. I don't know how you can use those gas things.
That's pretty, is it? Really nice to use.
No.
Yes.
No.
You should try it.
No, thank you. When I got my first one, I set it up in the living room. And I didn't set it up properly. My eyebrows and eyelashes, I cinched them off. Because I didn't put the gas canister on properly. So I can't use them at all. I'm terrified.
Because you used the other one, don't you?
It's the wee BCB one. I love that one.
I've never
So
used that
it's so light to carry as well.
I've never used it. I've just used that and the wee pocket rocket guns.
Yeah, I've seen those ones.
Right.
Cute wee table. Is it heavy, the table?
No, it's pure light. It's not even that heavy. I would say like 5 hammer up 3 hammer.
That's light.
Grams. It's no heavy.
No, that's pretty light.
It's not that heavy.
Ooh, what you having?
I might have. I'm not sure. Like I'm stuck between the toffee or just packing noodles or something.
Loads of people have had that. They love the...
I've never. I'll give it a go. I just need to boil some water. Put it in.
It looks nice.
Yep.
I'm pure missing my smoothie in the morning.
Do you usually just like smoothies?
Yeah.
Is it some sort of like? Is it just?
Yeah, just fresh orange and then you put all your fruit in.
Alright, because that.
Love
there's
it.
A lot of people put like shake stuff in it.
Yeah, no, I don't use anything like that. Lisa's packing away. Oh. On it like a car bonnet, Lisa.
Making sure there's no frogs coming in with me.
So we're just getting packed up soon, but I want to show you something. This is Claire Bear. I look after a girl who's got a long-term terminal illness, and I said to her that what we'd do is get a wee bear, and that's her, and that represents her when she comes on our travels. And my daughter picked it. So she's now a unicorn dog butterfly. But cheers, Lisa. So Claire, that's your bear. So it's safe to say the UCO candles do burn for at least 9 hours. I think we put that on about 8 last night. It's just after 9 this morning. That's pretty cool.
That's us packed up, ready to go. We've got all of our stuff going with us, nothing's getting left behind. For coming, Kasia. Hope to see you again.
Thank you, Kasia.
And we'll see you in the next video.